Hi there, it's Jim Hawke from Team Hawke Realty. I want to talk a little bit what happened in December 2023 in the central region of the Lakelands Association of Realtors. This is a large area. It encompasses Midland, Penetanguishene, Tiny Township, Tay Township, Aurelia, Oro-Medonte. So a very big area, and it's going to be interesting to see how our year ended. If we look at the average residential home price, it dropped 2.2% year over year to $779,061. So not a big drop. If you look at going back to last January 2023, the average sale price was $846. So you can see a big difference year over year going back into January. So there's been about a 5% drop. The scary one is if we compare it to 2022. In January, the average price was $990,000. So theoretically, we've seen about a 20% drop in the last year or 2 years in this area. So prices have come down quite a bit. Great opportunity for buyers if they're looking to buy. Interest rates have started to, with the bond rates adjusting, interest rates have started to come back down. And I think we're going to probably see more loosening of interest rates going into maybe late second quarter, third quarter this year, which of course is going to drive prices. Once interest rates start to go down, prices typically start to creep up. So that's something that we're probably going to see. And if we look at residential home sales, it was nice. This is a nice number for us to see. 77 sales in December compared to 64 the previous December. So nice to see an increase in sales, and we've been noticing that there's a lot more activity happening right now. There seems to be a lot more confidence right now, especially with the government holding on to interest rates over the past couple opportunities to raise. They've kept the interest rate the same at 5%. And again, bond rates have started to come down, leading us to believe that everybody in the economy is starting to see a lot more confidence in what's happening out there. So very, very good for us to see this. And then new residential listings in the Lakeland district. We had 125 new listings, down from 132. So again, a good trend to see for sellers. Number of listings have come down. The number of sales have gone up. So that's going to be less inventory. And if we look right now, we have 7.3 months of inventory in our whole region, which still puts us in a buyer's market. But we're at 7.2 last year, so we're very close to last year's numbers. 7.3 months of inventory just basically means if we continue selling as we are with the number of listings that we have, then it's going to take 7.3 months in order to deplete all of our listings. We're not going to see that happen, but anything above 6 months of inventory does put us into a buyer's market.